Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to unbox a very unusual package that I ordered from Aliexpress. What's unusual about it? The seller claims to have a fabric canvas. It is also diamond painted with special drills, and surprisingly, it was shipped from here, from the United States. So I received my package in less than a month. They did take their time to ship it. I ordered it on November 20th. They shipped it like a week later, maybe even a little bit more than that. And today, December the 10th, I received it. Now let's open and see how it looks inside. That's what was inside the package: a standard set of tools and the canvas. I wonder where the drills are. I left them in the envelope. Here it is. 40 by 55 centimeters. Round drills. From what I see, I do not think it is. It doesn't feel like it is fabric, just a regular paper cloth, not fabricy one. I need to read one more time what they said about the canvas, but this is a regular canvas. Disregard what I said in the beginning. It's not this is not a fabricy one. So I guess the only seller that sells a fabricy canvas is Team Yards. Now let's start with the canvas. This is the design. It is a full drill diamond painting kit that is diamond painted with round drills and special drills. The canvas, it is a good quality canvas, but it's a standard canvas. It has some sparkle on the front, kind of like a DAC canvas, but again, on the back side, it's the same paper cloth that is on outside, a regular standard canvas. Accurately cut. You see there is even some kind of a design in the corner. But yeah, it's not a fabric one. I'll read once again in the description. I don't know why I thought it was a fabricy one. It has two legends on both sides. The cost of the kit was $22. Again, it was shipped from the States, so if you need the diamond painting kind of fast, you can count on 2-3 weeks from Aliexpress, from the store. I will leave a link in the description box below. The total number of colors, 16, and 3 of them are special drills. I wonder if they also have AB. We will see. Here it is. They do not have that many designs, but I kind of like this one. I cannot say that like, oh my god, I'm in love with this design. No, I just bought it to try this seller out. The symbols are very clear, easily recognizable. The only thing that I don't like about it is that they are traced in dark circles. I prefer them to be without those black circles, because if you do not place the diamond accurately, that black circle will be seen in a way. And it has a lot of, light background, so I have to be really very careful when diamond painting it. Now, let's open the drills and see the special shaped ones. Okay, these are the drills. They're so weird, they're not attached to each other like separate bags, but they're not reusable. So I will still have to open them up and put them in Ziploc bags. Here they are. A lot of white color, 5200. What I think I'm going to do, most likely, I will use AB ones, but I'll think about it. I'm not sure yet. Here they are, all the drills. Not that interesting. The majority are like pastel colors, but what we are interested in is these special shape diamonds. They're really very nice. I like how they look. So it should come out really pretty. Iridescent, kind of clear iridescent. This blue looks really very pretty. Okay, so this is the diamond painting and the drills. Just wanted to show you and share a new store with you that I found on Aliexpress and that ships from United States. I will leave a link so you can go ahead and see what else they have for yourselves. Here. It's called Hankins something store. Too bad they don't write it here on the on the design, on the fabric, on the canvas. Yeah. But other than that, it looks good. I just expected to see fabricy canvas. Oh well, it's not. Okay, so this is it. A very short video. Just wanted to introduce you to this new store. I will diamond paint it as soon as I am done with my diamond dots kits. And I'll diamond paint this one and show you the final result. Then you will decide for yourself if it's worth buying or not. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.